We bring the building, we bring the assets, we bring the history, the university brings the technology, and it brings the research rigor, which enables us then to get back around the table and go, right, what did we learn? How can we do it better?
Places like this used to be places to preserve the past, but they're increasingly moving away from places of preservation to places for informal learning and engagement. Technology can play a crucial role in reaching newer audiences, younger audiences, and that's an important development. This first iteration we focused on bus-based interior designs. We would reveal one design, and then the next design. They were completely discrete, separate things. We used machine learning for human pose estimation and gesture recognition, and we used a little stick man as an avatar.
This second iteration enables the user to redecorate our drawing room as close to how we believe it would have been decorated originally back in 1830 when the house was first occupied. We found drawings of a harlequin that was intended to be turned into a puppet, which is absolutely perfect. So we based our character on that. It gets these assets, these images, out of an archive into a place where people can view them and experience them. It's interactive and it's immersive, so it's something that you can observe other people doing.
There is literature suggesting that if you enable people to see themselves in the content, that helps them to engage, makes them more open to learning about it. The system picks up in the image a user's portrait, runs it through this style transfer model, and puts a painterly version of their portrait into these pictures.
They'd done a portrait of me, was absolutely like the icing on the cake. It was such fun, very good.
We had here students, for example, there on our MSc User Experience course. They learned during their studies about interviews, user experience questionnaires, focus groups. This gives them an opportunity to see the real thing, the real messy research in the world out there, and get experience.
Marcus recruited us from the degree course just to help with this part of it. It's interesting to see it in action here this year with other people trying it and it actually revealing real things.
Can find more insight about what it can improve for the next time.
Regency Town House benefits by having a new tool in their arsenal for visitor engagement, and the university benefits by having a real-life environment where they can try out and experiment with new technologies and see that play out in context.
If you can tell a story, and because of the way it's being presented, people are really enjoying it, literally jumping up and down, then I think, yeah, you've succeeded, haven't you?